Taylor. I'm cheesy as a mug. Hold up, I'm clowning myself right quick. Let me calm down. Okay. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. I'm Taylor from Taylor's Muse. Today, we're gonna be making this Fringe backdrop. I have some goodies, so let me show you. I got a bunch of different color tablecloths, y'all, from the $1.25 store, because you know it's not $1 anymore. It catches you off guard. So I picked up a bunch of these tablecloths. They come like this, and you can get different shapes, but I would recommend getting the rectangle one. I got a bunch of different colors. I got some pinks and some reds and some golds and some silvers. So I'm not too sure exactly what I want to use yet, but we'll see. Without further ado, let's start this video, y'all. So guys, I tacked the chicken, well, the bird netting up to the wall. Just 1, 2, 3 tacks. Well, 4 and 5 is 2 down here, but I put it up on the wall. I measured it out. This is still going to be too much because you see how it dangles. So whatever is under this, whatever bird netting is under here, like from here to here, I'm essentially just going to cut off because the fringe behind it is going to cover it up anyway. Here's how it's coming along. I'm just going to continue to do the process. I'm going to see if I can do this with one hand, but you're going to take your strips. You can see I have my strips here in my hand, and then you're going to leave them in half. And so it's 2 sides to my strip. So here's your strip. You're going to leave it in half. You can see it's nice and long. And then here where I'm doing my pink set, I'm going to take it, but I'm going to go under the bird netting. You see how I pushed it under? You see how I pushed that under? And now I'm going to go back through. Okay, so essentially it's created a small little loop once you pull it through. You see this hole? And now you're going to take the 2 dangly pieces and you're going to take them back through. Again, this will be easier with 2 hands, but I wanted to show you guys. So then now you have your loop, and I find it easier to just tug on one side to tighten it, and be careful when you're doing that because these things are gentle and they will rip. guys, this is what the wall is looking like now. I still want to add some more gold in here, and of course finish these two sections, this one and this one. I made sure to hit every square with a tassel just to make sure that the top looks good. But I do have to say that I am loving it. It's so cute. So I'm gonna get this done and I will show you guys when I finish.